Hello, my name is Tanya. I'm the Assistant Manager at Saskatoon Mitsubishi. Today I'm going to show you 3 things everyone should know about their vehicle. First, I'm going to show you how to check your windshield washer fluid. First, pop your hood, find the windshield washer fluid cap, remove, get a funnel if you have one. If not, that's okay. You can also just pour the jug. Pour until it is full. Second, I will show you how to check your oil level. You need to find the dipstick. Sometimes it is yellow or orange or marked oil. This one is just a little white one at the back. Pull the dipstick out, lay it flat, use a rag to wipe, insert again, all the way down and pull back out. Check the level. Should be somewhere between the first dot and the second dot. That is the low line and the high line. If it's in between there, it is good. The dipstick back in. There you go. Okay, lastly, I will show you how to check your tire pressure. It is recommended to check your tire pressure first thing in the morning when your tires are cool, or else after sitting in the shade for a few hours. You can find your recommended pressures for your vehicle either on the inside of your door jamb on a sticker, or else in your owner's manual. First, you'll need a tire gauge. You remove the valve stem cover off of your tire, place the tire gauge, press it in until the plastic piece stops moving. I'm just going to try that one more time. This one is about 30 or just over 30 PSI, which is close to what's recommended for this vehicle. Don't forget to place your valve stem cover back onto your tire. Once again, my name is Tanya and I'm the Assistant Manager from Saskatoon Mitsubishi. Please let us know if you liked this video and if you'd like to see some more service tips and tricks from Saskatoon Mitsubishi.